Hi, Grace and Aiden. So today, before we get to triangles, I would like to just review some angles with you. So let's look at what we have here. We're going to kind of notice. What do we see? We see 1, 2, 3 angles. You should probably already be thinking about what kind of angles these are. So this one right here, you may notice is smaller than a right or less than a right angle, which is here. And we call this an acute angle. It's cute. It's small. Here we have an angle that's obviously larger. It opens greater than a right angle. So we're going to call that an obtuse angle. And lastly, of course, we have this right angle that measures 90 degrees. Okay, so we have greater than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, acute, obtuse, and right. And most of the time they will have a little box right here signifying that it is a right angle when there's a square in the corner. And when it's not, you'll see kind of more like a little rainbow in the corner of the angle. Okay, so now that we know that, and it seems like you, based on your question of the day and some of the work that we've done, that you really understand these 3 angles, it's really going to help you when we talk about classifying triangles. Are they acute, obtuse, or right triangles? So let's have a look at our triangles. Okay. So again, you're going to see 3 different types that we're talking about. And what I need you to do is just kind of picture, because they're not always neat and tidy, not that these are so neat and tidy, but they're not always laid out flat for you like this, horizontally with a straight line. They can be on their side. They can look like this. They can look like this. They can look like this. They can be upside down like that. Any way you cut it, though, you're going to have 3 different angles within the triangle. So what I need you to do is just kind of think about if you took a scissor and just cut each triangle in the middle of each line, or line segment actually. So we'll do that here too. Okay, and here, here, and here. Okay, so now you're going to see that each triangle has these 3 angles within it. So now we have to look at them. What is this? Acute. What is this? Acute. What is this? Acute. They're all less than 90 degrees, less than a right angle. So this is obviously an acute triangle. Here we have an acute, and an obtuse up here. If it has one angle that is greater than 90 degrees, like we do here, this obtuse angle, it is an obtuse triangle. And down here, we'll see that we have an acute, and a right angle. And if there is one right angle present in the triangle, it is a right triangle. Okay, so I hope this helps you when you're thinking about triangles and how to classify them. If you kind of imagine that you're cutting the triangle 3 times to look at those individual angles, I think it'll help you to classify those triangles based on their angles. So hopefully today I'll see you at 12:30 for our Zoom, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.